Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Alright my peeps, you guys asked me for vegan recipe, vegetarian recipe, healthy recipe. Alright, now my peeps, me go at the supermarket and me find one little bit in the breadfruit. So this is a half right guys, yeah. But if a big breadfruit, this is about quarter. Alright, we're gonna make some breadfruit vegan salad for you, okay? So over here I have some water just about boiling. Put a little bit of salt and we're gonna put the breadfruit. All right, we're gonna let this come to a boil and cook, but guys, you're not gonna cook it till it mash out. Just cook it until it can eat, right? You know, really it gotta be soft a little bit, but not too soft. All right, cook it for about, I say, 12-15 minutes and we're gonna come back. All right. Breadfruit almost cooked, about 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes. Now we're gonna put about 2 teaspoons or a tablespoon, a little bit of olive oil. I think 2 tablespoons will do, because you need the olive oil to rub over the breadfruit and everything and to saute up the thing. The breadfruit cook, stove off. You don't want it mashed out, but you want it to be cooked. We're gonna strain this off, guys. So this is how you want the breadfruit. Oh guys, this is the breadfruit turn. Oh my goodness, it turned and it's amazing. All right, here we have cabbage, onions, carrots, bell peppers, garlic and scallion, and we have with blended seasoning over here. We have with corn and with peas, and we have some veggie cubes or whatever, vegetable cubes. Yeah, we're gonna do the onions. 2 tablespoons of oil is good, guys. Don't overdo it. A little bit of the scallion, and I'm gonna leave a little bit for after. 1 stalk or 2. If you have it, use it. Plant it, guys. You don't want to overdo it. Just let it saute up a little bit nicely. I'm gonna put the carrot same time, because the carrot take a little bit of while to cook. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt. I'm gonna put some of my blended seasoning, about a tablespoon. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of ginger paste. Yeah, look pretty, guys, and healthy, super healthy right here. We're also gonna put just a teaspoon of jerk seasoning to give it some spice. We're gonna add the bell peppers and the cabbage. Add the cabbage, quarter of a cabbage. I don't like the hard part in it, so I always take out those. Now I'm going to put 2 veggie cubes. We're going to put 2 of these, and then that's it. I'm not going to put any more. Oh, only a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of black pepper, and that's it. Try to do this on high, but don't let it burn. Alright, so you don't want the cabbage to get watery. Guys, you see that I look pretty? Oh, you look pretty already. Put a little bit of paprika for color. soon as them warm up a little bit, saute so to speak, you go turn off the stove. You don't want to overdo it now, so it looks good. Now you just want to put the breadfruit in it. Ooh, just like that. Can you see the goodness here, guys? Yeah. We're not done yet. We're gonna put some sweet peas. Put about half can. We're also gonna put about half can of corn. And that's it. Just fold over everything and then that's it. All done. Really healthy vegan recipe here. You don't have to make the breadfruit much up. Just kind of stir it. You can turn off the stove now. Soon as everything warm up together, you turn off the stove, alright? As I said, you can even do it cold after you cook the breadfruit. It's up to you. Look at that goodness, guys. Turn off the stove now and we're gonna stir up some or serve up some. Alright? So pretty. So pretty. If you don't eat meat or you don't eat fish, just eat it as is. Vegan, vegetarian. Or you can serve it up with a piece of salmon or some fried plantain. Okay? I'm gonna share both ways and show you. Okay? Before I go, guys, let me just sprinkle the rest of the green onions on top. Alright? And I'm gonna come back and share out some kind of. See, look pretty? Yeah. I have half of plantain. Alright guys, after a minute or a minute and a half, they're golden brown. You just flip them over. And my stove is on medium. Get some paper towel like this. And you're going to take them out. Drain excess oil. And that's it. As I said before, I think I'm going to do a piece of salmon and serve it on the side. I'll show you after, but I'm just going to finish the video for the vegan vegetarian lovers. Okay guys? Alright guys, this is your pretty me breadfruit cabbage salad is. Yeah, vegan vegetarian. Alright guys, I'm not going to share it out right now because I'm going to cook my salmon, but I'm just going to place the plantain just right at the side to show you how pretty it's going to look. Hot, you know, hot. So this is it guys, super yummy and healthy. I'm gonna share it and taste some for you, but this is the final result. Cook for your whole family. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Remember me say we cut off that video there already, alright? So it's just a continue now. So this is what I'm gonna serve it up with, or you can eat it just like that. This is a vegan way. I'm just gonna show you how you can do it with or without. Guys, you see it look pretty? Whoa! So we're gonna go on in. Put water in there. Wait. What water do we in the bowl? You want water in it, guys? Let's try it out. I want water in the bowl. Alright. Oh guys, my details say breadfruit turn. Oh mama mia, heaven right here guys. This is my breadfruit cabbage salad, really healthy, vegan, vegetarian. Guys, actually it's the first time I'm doing it this way. You know, I try to come up with new idea, new recipe for you guys. The people them say they want to see lots of healthy vegan dishes. Get a piece of the nice salmon. I think at the side something like this, right guys? Fix it, make it look pretty. You're gonna go over here and take up a little bit of onions, caramelized onions. Oh my goodness! And that's it. Grab some of the plantain and just set it to the side. It's a family favorite now, guys. Look at that. I'm just gonna put a bit of fancy. This is the final result, guys. All right, yeah, try it and tell me how it tastes. Oh god, I'm gonna dive down in it with the breadfruit. Woo, amazing. All right, guys, remember me tell you, say a vegan dish, I just serve it up both ways, so whichever way you like, you choose. All right, this is a healthy vegan vegetarian dish, just like that. All right, if you want to spruce it up, as people say, a little bit, add a little pep in the step, add some salmon or a piece of chicken breast or whatever you want. Maybe even some cook up tin mackerel, it's up to you. All right, guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. You know me, I have to taste it. I can't wait for the breadfruit. I'm telling you, man. All right, guys, I'm back and time to taste this bad boy. We're gonna dive down in the egg with the breadfruit first. Thank the Lord and bless the hand for this good food. Amen. Oh, mamma mia. So good. Guys, remember you can eat it with or without. Don't come for me, my peeps, okay? Well cooked. Alright, guys, me gonna left for now.